One more. Gloria, give us smile.
One more.
If you're looking, I was
This is the most important.
Okay.
You can take as many as you want.
Okay, tulaba ofunye deals nyingi oli ambassador kati wa Movid oli wa Pads Travel Victoria University. How are you going to handle all of this?
First of all, I'm a very focused person. I tell you, it's not like, hey, na office drinking, that this is my work. I give my work time, creating content, my digital marketing. So for me, it just comes natural. Yeah.
Okay, this is news for one by one Movid, Pads and St. Lawrence.
Deals, first of all, Mukama Sanagam, there are many people that are good at it,
Okay.
They do very well with everything that they do. Their craft is amazing, but there's a way God work blessing, and I got so all the glory back to God.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll tell you about so many young girls are suffering down there. Abataina Pads, Atanga Traba, Nakoowa. Will you help them out over where your son?
I do a lot of charity.
Okay.
Yeah, I do a lot of charity, humanitarian work. So of course maybe now I am which I'll do something like that as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Victoria University Wafoka Ambassador. You are going to campus. When are you starting?
I have already started. Yeah, I've already started. I think a week now.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is the experience there?
It's good. It's amazing. I do not regret choosing Victoria University. So yeah, it's amazing there.
Okay. How are these students treating you?
Nakoowa the say Saga brand ambassador. We try to orientation and see, imposing about hey, let's call our brand ambassador, let's do this. But if it's not that, the modern days are normally. Yeah.
Abantu campus teba nyangu twasanga yo bantu bano abeita bakabeja.
Nze tebinkwata ko.
Ngeri joli star bakulaba ne bakutyamuko.
Mpoze ekyo naye kwanti n'abantu they're acting like that to me. No, nabimanyira. So I focus on what I want to do and what I've come for, and that's it.
Okay.
Yes.
Nkola course.
Nkola journalism and media studies.
Very
blessing. Actually, of course, there are so many opportunities in Korea.
Okay.
Mulimu PR, mulimu PA, mulimu digital marketing, social science, things like that. So, nze binkolelanga. Bichino kwa talianga journalism and media studies. Nenga teaching and correlating so much with everything that I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you have this one of the best presenters, but I want to be like her, that's why I'm studying this.
It's also a passion.
Okay.
This is my life. I don't see myself seated in an office today. I see myself creating content, being a brand ambassador, digital marketing, things like those. To mass communication, how to communicate well to your audiences. Yes.
There is no person go to the Nogama at your Nakola Bulunji wait to Sobo Kolanga.
There's Wabosha Maxine. Oh my god, almost mentioning a mania. I don't know, almost all Kurekayo Mutunga inspiration.
I know going up Blooming Tobacco Nebia Galato can
Saga Pogani Yanako Chamu Chanaga and I love following which some our Bobange. Yeah.
How about it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Just when your music are the sour,
music Mulunji. Yes.
What projects?
There are so many videos, concerts, different things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talk about lab or do Mizaka Imba. The Bangali was there.
Focusing on brand ambassador.
Over music to Mleke Wamuta.
Focusing on unveiling there. Just interview a bit more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometime back, I remember it was in Feb. In Wakola, you had in a YouTube channel, you upload a video.
Yeah.
How you spent your Valentine. Everyone was like, Gloria Agudde akajawa akagenda before.
In a way, you have to reward yourself. You know where but take it. Otherwise, you feel like we put it away. Yeah.
Ufuna sente nga wewamu.
Hey. naye ate era olina okusavinga n'abantu abali eyo mulina okusavinga sikuzifuna n'ozirya n'ozisaasaanya
noyambala bulungi
okwambala bulungi si kibi because era okukeepinga brand yo ng'erabika bulungi kyekireetera brands endala okuba nno baagala kuba naawe yeah so that's okay but you have to learn how to save.
Okay. Yeah. Fona tutaba you're a busy woman, obera busy campus, oina ambassador, otambuza otyo obulamu mutagamba mwana mutona ye.
One rule that I have, I'm still young. Tewali budde bwa kwebaka. Oh my god, I'm too busy. No, I'm supposed to be busy. Okay. And I don't mind it's a devil's workshop. You know, when I come from school, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do that. Otherwise, whatever it is, busy, there's nothing you've done in your years. Okay. Yeah.
Now, on the campus, also you travel?
I travel. Yeah.
Okay, basically, omuntu yandiyagadde okumanya esaawa enokuze na otambula abantu abakulu abangi mami wo waali. How do you deal with your mom and the stage you're in now?
How do I deal with my mom? I think she has also understood the concept of growth, that okula naige Bintu, like how they're going to carry their life. Yes, so there's nothing like, hey, how do you deal with your mom? Yes.
Maybe it's a bomb, Tiano Gamba, Chino Kanchikolere no Monkuku.
We share everything.
She's your friend?
Yes. Really? Yes. Why are you saying really?
Mukamba mukole.
Mukamba mukole. Ensi yonna nga bwegamba nedda amanyi obeera ne treasure olina ogikuuma, so Bambi don't blame her. Yes.
Omuntu abaagala okufuula ambassador w'ekintu ki alina yeeta mu mitendera ki era abeere ng'ayimiridde oba osoomukwati w'ekisa.
First of all, brand ye n'okwanga resonatinga bulungi nange ne principles zange zomanyi ndi wa Yesu tesa kwa nail oba mwenge n'engamba by the way I want the money come. No, it has to go along with what I believe in. It doesn't compromise me as a minister. So yes, I was so good at networking. We should have what we can do for them.
Okay.
Yes.
Omuntu buli wakula n'afuna deals abeera abantu abaleeta negative vibe. Abantu abo wotunawo tinotula ku YouTube yo nobalaba ogera obubiri notula ku bifaananyi byo. How do you deal with that?
Negative olaba ng'ofunye deal kintu kibi
kirungi
katwaki oba omuntu ayogera something negative but kiyita misery projecting on you instead of them being confident in themselves and being inspired that nange kankole nnyo nkufune kino baba baagala banoonya akacama era balinde bagenda kunoonyayo yadde tekaliyo bajja kukanoonya. So you have to be confident in yourself that you've done the right thing, you've not hurt anyone, and you inspire those that want to be inspired. Not everyone wants to be inspired. Well, in fact, everybody inspired, just at least you know? So what I would stay happy, they don't affect my life. You know, we stay happy and winning.
You just look on them?
Yes.
No tambula. Abantu abali eyo, like by the time you started singing, wali muto, whereby waliwo ne yajjawo nga mwenkana akusingako, but then that was Tammy. Abantu bulijjo beebuuza ne comment z'ebintu babuuza, where is your friend Tammy?
Tammy. Yeah. Tammy daddy. Tammy is in the US. We talk, we are sisters.
She's in the US?
Yeah, she went to the US.
Hey.
Yeah. But Tammy daddy, she's my sister. I really, really love her. Yes.
Mu US ati yimba akola.
Ayapenda byakola bingi ate temumbuuza personal life ye ajajje bagamba.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your message to your fans, your friends, n'abawala abali eyo abadde njagala obeeranga gwe?
My message to everyone out there, first of all, believe in God. God should be number one in all your things, even when you feel like you're failing. You know, say a prayer. God, it's God that does everything. Yeah, but you have to look at the future. And then second of all, believe in yourselves. Don't sit at home, guys. So as we actually productive job. That means you're on your way of failure. But the fact that you're doing something productive every time, stick to it, you're going to succeed one day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Negative vibe people.
Negative vibe people, and I send you love, I send you happiness, I send you joy.
Negative
comment company engagement we need that person engagement environment very positive, you know. Yeah, so just be happy and also believe in yourself. You don't get anything by abusing someone, by saying something negative. You really go have a question Korea sigala musanyu takumanya kukumanya okitegera nja kumanya nanyo omuntu andaga love ngambe abambi na kumetinga ebirungi naye kati gwe akumetinga bibi tewali ajja kufaako. Yeah,
Thank you.
Yes.